Hi, I'm Aaron Halsworth from Motionalysis. Today I'm going to be showing you the basics of digital printing and how it relates to digital manufacturing of folding cartons and corrugated. And I'm going to do some just general examples, and then later I will go in and show you how we can do this through our software. So I needed a fake product to start with for this demo. So I had a friend that makes plastic American states, the US states. So I just grabbed a couple of them and decided I wanted to make packaging that would hold these and something to ship and display it for retail or to mail to a customer. So around my house, I had found a carton. So I said, well, I want to make a folding carton similar to this that will hold these, but obviously that's not the right size. And then I received a very cool FedEx cell phone was shipped to me, and I like this little FedEx box with the insert. So my thought was that I want to make a similar box like this with the insert, but I want to be able to ship one of the toys inside of it. So it's going to have to be a custom size for this, a custom size for this interior insert, and then the resulting size for my shipper. So normally I could sit down and work on my paper and figure out the size that I need for a length, width, and a depth for my products. Then I could then go through and calculate what I would need for the folding carton like this. And then I could calculate through what I need my insert to be. And then I could calculate what I want to have in my final shipper. But with advances in software, I'm easily able to put in size information and generate these cartons. From there, I'm able to save out that file as a PDF. So in this situation, I made these cartons the size I wanted, and then I sent my graphics person the PDF, and they did graphical layout for me. Then I started that on a Sunday evening. On Monday, I gave it to a client friend of mine who has digital printing and digital cutting equipment. And by Thursday afternoon, I had received 200 each of the 2 folding cartons that I needed fully printed. And you can see they just drop right in. You'll notice that there's 2 different prints. So maybe I wanted to label them by the state or by different product names. But basically I have the cartons I needed. From there, I could have done it all in advance and ordered it, but I figured I would get my folding cartons first just to check and make sure when they were packed out. And again, I would get my length, my width, and my depth per the folding carton. Then I could sit down and calculate what I wanted that interior insert to be, because I want to have some space between the 2. I want some legs to hold it up and some space for printing all the way around. And from there, I'll have that go and make me the outside shipper. So I was able to do that in just a few minutes in software, send it to my corrugated and sign manufacturing friend of mine. And I sent it in the morning and swung by later in the afternoon, and I was able to get the insert and the B-flute carton. In future episodes, I'll be explaining allowances and different thicknesses and substrates. You can see on folding carton material, it's much thinner. And then here, this is a B-flute carton. So I'll explain that in future videos, but you'll notice the carton is printed with my graphics to size. It pops right in there. It holds my 2 cartons. Then these tuck in. You may be familiar with that style of box. So in a span of realistically 5 days, I could have done it even much quicker. I could have, in optimal situations, gotten them the next day if I needed to rush the order. But that's how digital printing works. We're able to very quickly get the cartons we need, very specific if we're doing different regions, different products, different languages, different seasons now for different products. We're able to very quickly work with our suppliers, give them the files and graphics we need, and get the packaging back that we want. And just to show you here, so these were, I didn't just order a sample from a shop. I had a full production run, 200 of the inserts that hold 2 of the folding cartons each, and 200 of the external shippers. Then you can see they were mailed to me, glued and assembled. So all I have to do is pack out and mail my product. What I'm going to work on in the next 2 videos in the future, they aren't quite as high of graphic level that I'm going to do, but I'm going to make some sort of counter display. So maybe in the toy store where they may sell these, I want to make a counter display with this product in it. And then I might make myself a shipper that will ship out different products. You may or may not digitally print the larger traditional cartons, but we're able to do that all in software. So when we demonstrate our software videos later, I'll be able to show you how we tie this all in and reduce the time so that it's fairly instantaneous to get the dimension PDFs out so that your graphic people and your people with digital printers and die cutters can go and manufacture your cartons. Thank you very much. And again, it's Aaron from Motionalysis. Thank you.